the keto diet, I realized I miss the most is your pani puri, and I thought, okay, I couldn't make the pani puri because whenever I tried making the puris, they used to fluff up, and then they used to just soaked down. And then I thought, why not make and use the water of it? Yes, the pani puri water, because that is the most important thing which we enjoy in the pani puri. And here comes a delicious, basically for the lovely summery weather to cool you off, this keto pani puri popsicle, which is a real killer and you're going to just love it. So let's begin with it. So to start off with the lovely, delicious Khatta Meetha Keto Pani Puri Popsicle, I am going to first take a jar or mixer jar, grinder jar, and adding the flavorful pudina leaves, that is your mint leaves. Here goes some ginger, some green chilies. Now I am going to add some sweetener because I want a meetha type of dish. So here goes the erythritol. Some water goes in it because that would help in grinding off, and I'm going to pulse it or puree it. So after puree, this is the pani puri water. Here I'm dropping some more water into the mixer jar. Just shake it up so that you take out all the pudina flavors out of it, that is your mint flavor out of it. And some more water goes into it. And now I'm going to add the other ingredients. Some roasted cumin powder goes into it. Rock salt goes into it. This is one recipe which I make it and I'm keeping it, for the summery time whenever I want to have. This is the best recipe. Red chili powder goes into it, and to give that khatta flavor, that is the tangy flavor, some lemon juice is added into it. Just stir it off properly so that the erythritol gets mixed up properly, that is your sweetener. Transferring it into a glass so that it becomes easier for me to pour into the popsicle mold. So this is my popsicle mold and I'm pouring the liquid into it. This is the perfect pani puri drink even, but add little more water because it is a bit concentrated because I'm making popsicles. So I'm going to just cover it up and I'm going to freeze it for at least 4 to 5 hours. So this goes in the freezer. So after 5 hours I'm taking it out. See, doesn't it look gorgeous? Lovely color. My mouth is watering. I can bet you're not going to miss the pani puri once you have this keto pani puri popsicles. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this keto pani puri popsicles, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.